Hey guys, welcome to Fix It Felix. Today I'm going to show you this little problem I have where even though the handle is closed all the way, there's water leaking. It's a really simple fix. You just have to know what you're doing. So today I'm going to show you how to fix it. Now as you can see, there's water dripping. I mean, that's wasting a lot of water every day, each night. So first thing you have to do is go outside and turn off the water, and then just make sure there's no more water coming out, because we have to remove this guy right here. So yeah, first turn off the water and then we go from there. I'm going to turn off the water. So it's going to be this guy right here. The house is the one on the right. And you have to turn this guy. Right there. Another problem I was getting is that I don't have mid water. Like, it's either I burn up on hell or I freeze up in the North Pole. So it's either super cold water or super hot water. There was no in between. So this fix should fix that problem as well. At this point, we're gonna open the water and let all the water come out. Just a little bit. So you see there's no more water coming out. Okay, now to remove this, we're going to use an Allen key, which is this one right here. We're going to remove this little plug right here. Put this in a safe space. And I don't know if you can see, there it is. That's where we're going to put it. Look, if we move it, it's not there. So just, maybe yours is all the way down or all the way up. Mine is all the way up. And you gotta open it. You see, you put the Allen key right there. Let me show you. All right, there. Now you turn to the right. And keep doing it until it gets loose. All right, I pulled it all the way, and this little piece comes out. Just put it somewhere where you don't lose it. Now at this point, you can just wiggle this out and pull up over there. And this part will come out. Wow, it's really dirty. And we're here now. Now to have more access, we're going to remove these two bolts, the screws. This one right here and this one right here. Now we can try to wiggle this part out. Down. There. Put it on the side. Now this is the part where we're going to work on right here. Now we're going to remove this part right here. I already removed the screws. So as you can see, stuck here with silicone. So you can just maybe use your flathead screwdriver and go around. Or if you have a razor blade, you can use that. So, yeah, just go all around. I'm gonna change this anyways because it's old. There he goes. Look at this. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Now we have more movements here. Now I'm going to remove this part. I'm gonna also put a link on the description where you can buy this part. So it's really easy. It's just 3 simple flathead screws. Do the same one for all 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I removed the 3 screws. This is how it looks now.
side. No, this one also has 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to remove those 3 too. Same thing with the flathead screwdriver. This part comes out. Alright, now to remove this one, sometimes it gets stuck. You can put a flathead screwdriver right here and just pull it out a little bit. Same thing from this side. You can see it's coming out. Now this part you gotta wiggle it out. So just wiggle it and try to pull. Like I said, you can use a flathead screwdriver. Then it comes out. Look at this, how ugly and dirty. Wow. Alright, now look how dirty this thing looks. At this point, it's good for you to clean everything that's here. I'm gonna use a clean napkin. Let's see what happens. At this point, it's good for you to remove any materials you see. Like, for example, this guy right here. Let me show you this black piece right here. Good for you to take it out. Remove it. Fuchi. Just keep looking for any materials, debris, or anything. I'm also going to put a link down below where you can buy this part right here. This is called the pressure balancing. And now, like I said, I'm also going to put a link down below where you can buy the other one, which is called the cartridge. This one right here. All right, now out with the old, in with the new. And these are the new parts. Everything looks nice and clean. Now we're going to put them inside there. We're going with this one first. You have to remember how you took it out. So mine was like this. So just try to push it. All right there. Yeah, make sure it's nice and clean. Right there. Now it's time to put this guy right here. And we're going to put the 3 small bolts. Oops. Oh, all right, make sure you tie it all the way, because if you leave it loose, you might see some leaks. All right, now we're going to install this one. Now it's really easy to match. As you can see, there's only one circle hole. So it's going to be like this. So just put it like this and put the 3 screws. In this one, I'm gonna need my 2 hands to hold and then put the screws. So just put the 3 screws there. All right, now we're going to tie it all the way. So right there, do the same with all of them. Right there. You can use a razor blade to remove this right here. Okay, right there. Now it's time to put this guy right here and put the screws. I already put the 2 screws, 2 bolts. Now you're going to put this guy. Push it all the way inside. Right there. Now it's time to put this one. So you gotta push it all the way inside, and then we're gonna put the little Allen screw that goes right here. Okay, so right there it's inside. Now just push. There. Now you can see how it really works. Now it's time for this guy right here. So I'm gonna try to put it first in the Allen key, like this, and then put it right here. If you guys hear gunshots, it's because my son is playing Fortnite in the background. Sorry. So there you go. Perfect. And you can put this guy here. Alright, now it's time for you to turn on the water. We still didn't finish, so just turn on the water, see if everything works good. If you see that everything is nice in place and everything works good, there's no leaks, then you can use silicone to put around, and then you can put also around here like it was before. So now it's time for us to go turn on the water, and hopefully this problem is fixed. It's already dark outside, but the phone has flashlights, so we're good. So we open that. Now I'm gonna turn this all the way to the right. There. We open it. Oh, let's go inside. Right, so water's on, and we have good news. There's no water dripping, so that's good. Let me turn it on. Woohoo! Water. This should be hot water. Hold on, taste a little bit. Wait. Yeah, perfect. It's hot water. So that's good. Let me put it cold. All right, it's cold water. Perfect. Now let's put it medium right there. Finally, wow. We've been dealing with this problem for so long. Look, now it feels normal water. It's not too cold, not too hot. Wow, that's really good. Oh, I'm really happy. I was always burning or freezing when taking a shower. Wow, this is great. Great, super happy. I'm super happy. So yeah, cold water works, hot water works, medium water works. The leaking is not leaking anymore. Well, there you have it, guys. No leaking, no more leaking. And like I said before, I'm going to put a link down below where you can buy the items to fix this problem. I really hope this video helped you in any way. If it did, please, you can really help me back by liking this video, by commenting, share this video with your friends. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. As always, peace.